Waiting in a queue for the Olivia Rodrigo pre-sale. I got the ticket. Well, I got one ticket. My iPhone 15 Pro comes in today.
Got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'm making
Little update about my phone. So UPS never called me, never rang my doorbell. So I have no idea where my phone is, and I'm on the verge of tears because everyone's just yelling at me.
only know I want the best of us.
Hello guys, it is Sam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in my bed waiting in a queue for the Olivia Rodrigo pre-sale. I got pre-sale verified fans, which I'm so excited for because I didn't get the Taylor Swift one. I don't know if this is gonna help, honestly. I currently have 2,960 people ahead of me. So it's not going well. I've been in the queue for around like 5 minutes so far. I am really hoping that I will get tickets for me and my friend Madison, but it's not looking the best right now. So I figured I'd take you along. We're gonna do a little vlog, and I have some exciting things coming up that I will talk about in a little bit. But I'm really stressed out right now about this queue, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, I have a little bit of an update for you. I have 1,707 people in front of me now. It's around 12 minutes into the queue, so it did start moving a little bit faster, but still I feel like that is a lot of people, and I don't know if I'm going to get tickets. But I did the same exact thing for the Sour Tour. Somehow I got tickets for Olivia Rodrigo's Sour Tour, and the arena that she was playing in was so much smaller. I'm going to Madison Square Garden this time. Last time she played in Rockefeller Center, which I believe is smaller, so I think I have somewhat of a chance. I'm like staring at the queue. It just dropped to 1,477, so I might have a chance, but also that could be because everything's sold out. So I'm like really stressing out. I saw some that were like on resale, and I'm not buying those. They're like $800. That's not happening. So currently just slowly waiting to see if I get in this queue. Sorry, I keep looking at my viewfinder right now because I'm on my other camera and I'm like stressed out, so I feel like my eyes are going from like here to here. But just so you guys know what is going on and how stressed I am right now. We keep moving a little, but not a lot. It is 3:13, so we moved about a few people in the last minute. I don't know, I really want these tickets. I feel like it'll be so fun. I didn't get to go to Taylor Swift and I really wanted to, so I at least want to be able to go to Olivia because I love Olivia. So hopefully we'll be able to. See, it's like now it's not moving, and then it'll jump and then it'll pause again. A little update, we have 782 people ahead of me, now 722. It's moving a little faster after I got past the 1,000 people, so I feel like once you get past the 1,000 then you're in a good spot, but I don't know, I might be completely wrong. There's 297 people in front of me. The sale started at 3, but I joined the queue at 2:30 and it's only 3:19, so it's only been 19 minutes. So honestly, it wasn't that bad. Definitely not as bad as Taylor Swift, but I might be able to get tickets. I'm like actually really excited, but I'm also really scared because I've heard a lot of things about the pricing. Currently stuck at 297. Okay, we're at 50. I feel like I'm just staring at my phone waiting for it to just refresh. Like, this is very, very stressful. Two people. I got the tickets. Well, I got one ticket.
Actually, you had gotten 2 tickets.
So basically, Ticketmaster broke. Long story short, I bought 2 tickets, but basically they oversold the tickets that they gave, and now I only have 1 ticket, and I don't know what to do because I don't want to go alone, so I only have 1 ticket. But then I called my friend and asked her if she got tickets, and she was like, no, like I didn't even get pre-sale, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might buy resale, but I don't know. Madison is here now. We're gonna go get food, so I'll update you guys later. Me and Madison went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and we Ubered there because we wanted to have a few drinks. We came back, and it was really good, but we went on a very busy night. It's Thursday night football right now. It's the Giants versus San Francisco. Everyone was really into this game, and everyone just kept yelling. It was nice. It was a relaxing moment from the Olivia Rodrigo situation. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I really want to go to the concert, but I don't want to go alone, and I had the tickets, and I'm just upset because Ticketmaster messed up. But right now we're making Halloween-inspired cupcakes to get into more of the fall vibe, and tomorrow we're going to the city. Madison's wearing a Christmas onesie though, but I'm gonna combine this vlog into one because I don't have enough footage of just tonight. So we're gonna go to the city tomorrow to a vivrelle event that I'm going to see like their showroom, and then we're gonna go to brunch. But right now, like I said, we're making Halloween cupcakes, and I found really cute cupcake holders with little toothpicks with like ghosts, pumpkins, and they're so cute. So I want to put those in the cupcakes, and I don't know, I thought it would just be a fun little thing to do. And then we are also watching Friends. These are the toothpicks I was talking about. I think they're so cute. They're from TJ Maxx, and we're gonna use them as toppers with little sprinkles. And this is Madison's Christmas onesie.
Drew has a matching one.
Where's it from?
I don't know, Drew's mom got them for us and we're matching.
Take a look out the window. It's spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been saying on.
It is the next day and I am currently about to get ready to go to the city. As I told you guys yesterday, I have a vivrelle showroom event, which is basically where I'm just going to go into vivrelle and be able to see all the bags, pick out a new one, and I am really excited. And I just wanted to say really quick, thank you guys so much, because none of this would be possible without you guys, and I really appreciate it. I love you so much. If you don't know what vivrelle is, it's actually really cool and I was very drawn to it. So basically it is a members only access club, meaning that you can borrow designer jewelry, handbags, watches, and diamonds, and I just think that is so cool. Something I really like about it is that you can really treat the closet as if it's your own and be able to wear any of your favorite designer brands, but you're actually borrowing it, and then whenever the month is up, depending on your membership, if you wanted to trade in for a new handbag, you can, so you can switch it up. But the good thing is you can also keep your handbag or jewelry or diamond or watch for as long as you would like, and then when you're ready to give it back, you can trade it in. And if you really like it, you have the option to buy it out at a discounted price, which is amazing. There's all different types of memberships, but the first one starts at $45 a month. Now vivrelle does have a big wait list, but if you use my code, which is just my name, Samantha Costa, you'll actually be able to skip the wait list and get to shopping. So I will have a little link for you guys down below. I showed you guys before, but my first handbag was actually a Gucci handbag, which I will show you guys in a little bit. I want to make sure my foundation looks really good, but I will show you guys again. Obviously I'm going to trade it in, I think today, for a new little bag, but we'll see what we can find, because I'm very particular when it comes to my bags, and that's another thing I really like about them. They have so many options, and I'm talking about this because we're going to a showroom event and I'm excited. This is actually like my first showroom I've ever been to, so I think it is going to be so fun to look at all the pieces, meet some of the team, and just experience that type of environment. After we go to that showroom, which is at 10:30, right now it's 7, I think that we are going to either go to brunch or at this Italian restaurant. I've been seeing so many YouTubers talk about this Italian restaurant and it looks so good. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I'll show you guys later. And there's one in Bryant Park, which is very close to where I'm going for my event, so I think we might go there, but it depends on what my friend wants to do and what we're in the mood for. But I've been wanting to try this place out for so long, so I think we're gonna do that. As far as the rest of my day, my iPhone 15 Pro comes in today and I am so excited for that, and it gets delivered today, and I want to make an unboxing for you guys and get that video up as well. So I'm really going to try my best to be able to do that, because I know you guys really like those videos and they're actually one of my favorite videos to make. I love unboxings, and I made a whole video of pre-ordering the iPhone and you guys seem to enjoy that. I actually got that idea from Samantha Nicole, and I went on this whole little thing in that video about why I decided to even make that video, and it was inspired by her. And I'm so happy because I don't know, I just like posting literally everything, and that video really was my first try at posting whatever I wanted, and I think that I'll definitely be doing more of that because I really liked editing it. It brought a smile on my face. I got this recently new YSL candy gloss and I love it. I actually like pairing it with something, but I think that the color is so pretty. Like, I don't know, I just think that's really pretty. I want to put some plumper over it. I got this cute little palette from my boyfriend's mom and it smells so good. Like, it smells like peaches and I absolutely love it. I think I'm just going to go for a neutral shimmer today. I've been craving Starbucks so badly, so I might stop at Starbucks, but I'm not sure. Depending on if we have time, because I'm like really nervous. Since the event's at 10:30, I wanted to get on the 9 o'clock bus, because if we went before that, all the traffic would have been so bad because it's a Friday and people are commuting into the city for work. Also, I'm going to have Madison do my hair because I am not good at hair. I'm still like learning how to do it and she's really good at it, so she's going to do my hair. And I think I'm going to wear a yellow dress because I think it's my last time to actually be able to wear this dress before the transition into fall officially starts. It's the 22nd when I'm filming this and it's a very bright dress, so I want to be able to wear it before the end of the summer. And my boyfriend's mom gave it to me to let me borrow, and it's a Calvin Klein dress. It is so pretty, so I want to wear that, I think with high top Converse or something, but we'll see. I think that looks pretty for my eyes, but I'm gonna finish getting ready because I don't want this video just to be me getting ready, and I will update you guys once my hair is done and we're about to leave. This is the little fit. It is from TJ Maxx, but it's Calvin Klein. My boyfriend's mom gave it to me. I'm wearing this little necklace with earrings, and Madison did my hair, and this is what Madison's wearing.
I think it's from Forever 21.
We are going to the bus station now. We're gonna stop at Starbucks and then go into the city. finished. It's so pretty. We're now going to lunch. I heard that it's really good. We're walking there now and I'm gonna get penne vodka. Not look the best anymore because it literally falls out. I don't know why, but it makes me so upset because I have people do it. Like my friend Madison did my hair. It looked beautiful. My mom was like, it looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, you should learn how to do your hair that way. And then it literally falls out. Like it still looks a little styled, I guess, but it doesn't look how it looked and like makes me so sad. But I wanted to give you guys an update. Look at this purse. I am in love. Oh my gosh, it's a little elbow purse. It has so much room inside. I'm literally obsessed. I love how much room it has. I love how delicate it feels and I love the detail on it. We went to this restaurant. It was so good. When I tell you that penne vodka was so good, I was like, oh my gosh. It was homemade pasta, I think, and it just tasted so good. It's supposed to come with cheese on it, but I didn't want the cheese, so I asked for no cheese. I highly recommend that place. If you are in the New York area, they have many locations. Please go try out that restaurant. I promise you won't regret. I had an Aperol Spritz and then I had a tequila drink with grapefruit and it was so good. Little update about my phone. So UPS never called me, never rang my doorbell, never did anything that they were supposed to do, and it makes me so sad because I just didn't know they were here. So in order to get into my apartment, you need to ring my apartment number, and in order to do that, you would need to call my phone. That's how the system is set up, and it's really annoying because I literally specified on the receipt, like, please call me, don't just leave, because when my original vivrelle package, my Gucci bag, was coming in, they did the same thing. It was FedEx. They never called me. I never even knew they were there, so I couldn't go sign for the package. And the thing is not that I'm not home, it's that I don't know they're there because they're not knocking on my apartment door. They're coming to the front of my apartment building, but then not calling me. So how am I supposed to know you're there? So it's okay. I called UPS and I told them that I would really like to get the phone today because that's not really my fault. That's more of a problem that they didn't call me. And the next time I was gonna get my package was not anytime soon. And first of all, I need a new phone because I have to send this one back to Apple. And second, I wanna film a video for you guys and get it up. I'm going to get that up before I put this video up. So this is gonna be like a behind the scenes for you guys. Please do not mind how I look right now. I am very sick to say the least, but I wanted to come on and clarify that the only reason why I was so upset is because this isn't something that was my fault and it could have been avoided if I just received the phone call like I asked, and I don't want that to come off the wrong way. I was just upset because it was a problem with UPS and it gets so much worse. But I want to go pick that up. The UPS driver called me and was like, I might be able to drop it off for you today. So then he was like, or you can go pick it up at the warehouse at 7, but we close at 7:30. I was like, oh, okay, is it gonna be there like before 7 or do I have to wait until 7? He was like, you have to wait until 7. It's not gonna be there until 7. I was like, okay. So my plan is, Chad's coming here now, Madison just left. I am planning to drive to the location at 6:30 because it's like 29 minutes away, which is really annoying, but it's okay. I'm gonna go pick it up and then hopefully film the video for you guys and get it posted by either tomorrow or Sunday. My ultimate goal is to get it posted by tomorrow, which I'm really going to aim for. So stay tuned because if I can get it edited by tonight, which is the same day it dropped, I will post it. I just have dinner plans, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try my best. For now, I'm gonna lay down because I'm really tired and it's only 3:46, so I have a really long time until 7. Only like 3 hours, but you guys know what I mean. I also might run to Target because I've been wanting to go to Target so bad. I'm gonna lay down and I'll update you guys when I'm on my way to get my phone. It's editing Sam again. I'm sorry, but I did an awful job at explaining this and this just needs to be explained. So I laid down and then I got a phone call from UPS again and they were basically confirming that I was coming at 7. I said yes and he said don't come before 7. Same thing he told me before. I was like, okay, no problem. I want to put out there also, if this was my mistake, I would not have been upset. If I wasn't home or if I got a call and I wasn't home, I would not have complained and I just would have waited for the phone to be delivered when they rescheduled it. But the thing is that it wasn't my fault and they were being not nice to me on the phone, so I was just really upset about the whole situation and how it was being handled, given that it wasn't my fault. I came to Target because it's only 5 o'clock and I still have some time and I was bored. I don't really know what I'm looking for. I just kind of want to look and see if they have any fall decorations or anything like that. So we're gonna go in and I'm hoping to leave here around like 6:15 so I could get there right before 7 because of traffic since it is a Friday. I really thought Target was going to take up more of my time, but it really didn't. It's only 5:30, but I found some really cute things. So first thing, I got candy corns. Then I found these really cute Halloween sprinkles. Me and Madison, as you guys know, baked last night, but I didn't have any Halloween sprinkles, so we did like orange and red, which worked for like fall. But for Halloween, they had like purple, orange, green, pumpkins, black, and then like the orange, green, purple, and black, and I really wanted to get them, so I got these. And then this is the cute thing. I was going to check out. Look at this mini pumpkin. This is adorable. It says hello fall, and I'm obsessed. Are we kidding? Like, look at this. So I got this. It was literally, I think, like $4, so I was like, you know what? I'm getting it. It's so cute. I love it. That is everything I got. I want to go get my phone now, but it's only 5:30, so I'm thinking maybe I'll get Starbucks because I have dinner like later, and I think me and Chad are actually just going to order in instead of going out anywhere because I was supposed to go out with my friend and it just like didn't work out. So I asked Chad and he said he just wants to order something, so I think we're gonna do Italian, but I don't know what I want because I already had pasta for lunch, so I don't know. But I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks. This is water. Look at how cute this is. It's like a little straw cover from Amazon. I have them linked on my Amazon storefront and they're so cute. It's like to protect like bugs from getting in your straw or like dust or anything. And then the cup is obviously Starbucks. Really just want to get my phone, but the guy said it's not going to be there until 7, and I really wish it was there now because I just want to film this video and get it up for you guys and set up my new phone, but I can't do that right now. So we're gonna go to Starbucks. I think we're gonna get a little drink. We're going to jam out to some music to make time pass. Then I am going to go pick up my phone, finally, film my video, and while I'm filming my video, I'm going to order food for me and Chad. I'm just mad about the situation, especially because I have to give this phone back to Apple by a certain time because I was supposed to get the phone today. So I'm just stressed because of that, but I don't want that to come off the wrong way, so please don't take that the wrong way. I'm obviously so grateful, and I'm just annoyed about the situation, but it's okay. We're making it work. We're gonna have a cute little jam session and it'll be fun. I don't know if I'm gonna keep filming. I probably will because I'm trying to be filming longer vlogs. Let me know if you guys like longer vlogs because personally, like I said in my pre-ordering my iPhone video, I really want to just start vlogging everything because I think it'll be really fun and more memorable, and then I can really take you guys along like my whole day. So I'm just gonna try to do that. I am sitting outside an hour and a half later from when I was supposed to get my phone. I'm really sorry about the lighting, but I'm very stressed out right now. I go there, they don't have my phone. They tell me I can't pick it up, I can't get it delivered, and I literally drove there, which was pretty far away because of the traffic, and I drove there for no reason. And they said there's nothing they can do about it. Then they told me a driver is going to come to my house because I said that it's not fair because no one called me and I was home, and at the time he tried to deliver it, I was home. They tried to deliver it at 8 a.m. That's why I'm upset, because no one called me and none of this would have happened if they just called me. The guy told me that the guy would be here in 20 minutes. That was an hour ago. And now no one's answering my calls. So I have no idea where my phone is, and I'm on the verge of tears because everyone's just yelling at me and it's not even my fault. So I just needed to update you guys. The sunset is really pretty though, on the bright side. I stopped filming there because I just got really stressed out and literally just couldn't film anymore. I eventually did get my phone after many phone calls with customer service and just trying to figure out where it was. Another guy delivered my phone an hour later, so it was like 8:15ish. I quickly filmed my video, got it up, so be sure to go watch that. I did end up liking how the video turned out, but the whole situation and how I was being talked to was really what was upsetting me, and it's fine, and I knew it was going to be fine, but I didn't like the way I was being talked to, and that's what was like really getting me upset. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video, and let me know if anything like that or if something worse has happened to you with UPS or any type of like signing product when it comes to shipment.